Hi guys, it's Chris here from Some Bloke Who Travels A Lot, and we are still in Rhodes, we are still at the Harbour, and this is boat number 4 of One Man in 4 Boats, the Yellow Submarine. Now I think I've saved the best till last. It was certainly my favourite, and not just because it was free. Free? That sounds like a bargain, and it was. I was actually invited by the owner to take a trip and video the Yellow Submarine for my YouTube channel. That was after I'd been speaking to him from filming the Red Bull jet boat. Now, I never tout for freebies. Paid placements will never appear on the channel. I very rarely even tell anyone I'm filming for YouTube, and if you see my other videos, you can see that I make a concerted effort not to film anyone else, and if I do, I edit them out before I post it on YouTube. However, the Red Bull jet boat was a bit different, as the star of the show was the driver, Mercury, and the video just wouldn't work without him appearing. So after we returned to port, I asked him if he was okay to appear in the film going up on YouTube, and he was more than happy, and so was the owner. Right, I thought I'd get that off my chest, and just in the interest of transparency, I paid for all the other boat trips, and this was not a paid promotion. I was just a very welcome guest on it.
And good luck to all of you.
Hence, the following day, I found myself on board the Yellow Submarine, leaving Rhodes Harbour on the hunt for some fishes, and possibly some ancient Greek maritime ruins. On the fish front, it certainly didn't disappoint, as you're about to see, as something very special was about to happen as we ventured into the glass bottom of the boat. Now, if you enjoy the video, don't forget to check out the other Rhodes boat tours. There's a link in the description below and at the end of the video. And please do check out the channel to see lots more videos on Rhodes and from my travels all over the world. You might like to consider subscribing, it would certainly be appreciated. And if you ring the bell, YouTube will notify you when I publish a new video. So anyway, let's go and find some fishes. Thank you so much for watching and happy travels.